In part 4 of how to make French beaded miniature lilies today, I will show you how to assemble and pot the flowers. Coming up. Hi everyone, my name is Fan Lee, author, bead instructor, and designer here at the Bead Flora studio. In the first 3 lessons, I showed you how to make the petals, pistil, stamen, and leaves. And today we are ready to assemble the flowers and pot. Check out the last 3 videos if you missed them. This is an intermediate project. If you are new to French beading, check out some of the beginner level projects on my channel. Now let's assemble. So now we have all of the components made and ready to assemble. So now let's start out with the pistil and stamen and a length of 18 gauge stem wire. You can also use 16 gauge. So you can use those pretty much interchangeably. So let's take a length of 30 gauge wire, just very thin wire, and just wrap it around the pistil here. And now we're going to take these stamens and place it around the pistil. And now we're going to take this wire and wrap it around the stamen also. You don't need to go all the way down. Just want to do it like right here, maybe about 1/4 of an inch. Now let's wrap this with fluoro tape. You don't need to go all the way down, just a little bit. Just want to get that nice and covered. Now we're going to take the stem and insert that into the petals here. Now let's wrap this with fluoro tape. I wrapped too fast, so the fluoro tape kind of bunched up. To unwrap it. Alright, don't go too fast. Pull. Let's see here. I think I want the leaves right here. Yeah, that's about good. The other one. You know what happened is I made these videos. This is my second time recording this. That's why the wires are perfectly flush. I accidentally deleted the videos that I made, and so I have to redo it. Fun, right? Okay, so but luckily just a couple of easy videos, assembly video and the stamen, so not too bad. Okay, so now let's, of course, shape everything. And I made 5 of these lilies, and I'm just going to put them together. I have a couple that are slightly longer than the other ones, so I'm just going to put those 2 together first. And then arrange the other 3 around it. Just arrange it until it looks good. Okay, I think that's good. Just wrap it with fluoro tape. If it's not good, we'll undo it and rearrange it. I have this little miniature vase here that I'll be sticking the lilies in. I just want to compare, just so that I know where to trim the stem wires. Let's just trim from here. And I know a lot of you have asked, what is this amazing cutter? It is Knepix. And I'll put the link in the description if you want to get this wire cutter too. It is amazing. All right, let's stick it in here. And of course, shape your flowers. I can't say this enough. I'm going to say it every single time because you need to do it every single time. Okay, as you are making the flowers and after you're done with the flowers, all the time, okay? Think about shaping your flowers all the time. Now I decided that I want to pot my lilies. I made 4 extra lilies without any leaves. And I'm going to pot these here in this small succulent pot. It's about 2.5 inches in height. Since I don't have enough clay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some pebbles on the bottom here, just to like build up the height. I'm gonna trim this here, probably about here. Put more clay to fill it in. Now I'm going to fill in the rest with more lilies here. I think I want to trim this. Now I want to fill in the top with more pebbles here. Got these multicolored pebbles here. You can also use moss. So I just spent quite a bit of time just kind of bending these stems and shaping the petals and shaping the leaves and just kind of rearranging everything the way that I like it. Just make sure that everything looks nice in the round. I'm not a natural at flower arranging, so it just takes a lot of time to make sure that everything just looks right. The beading is the easiest. The arranging, that's a little bit harder for me. But if you take the time and just do it so that it looks right to you, then it's all good. Thanks for hanging out with me the last few weeks. If you liked this lilies arrangement, then you'll love this miniature rosebuds arrangement too. And here is one of my featured students. Email or DM me a picture on Facebook or Instagram for a chance to be featured. Now see you next time.